Welcome to the Crypto Infinity channel where we try to help you find infinite ways to make money. My name is Hector and my goal is to help you reach financial freedom. Now before we get started, go hit that like and subscribe. Not a financial advisor, but now let's get started with your daily market update. So we take a look here at the market cap. We have it sitting at 1.26 trillion. We are down almost 2% over the last 24 hours. We do have Bitcoin sitting at 29,700. Ethereum sitting at 1,900. XRP sitting at 40 cents, Cardano 51 cents, Solana $48. We do have CRO down here at 18 cents. So pretty much Bitcoin is down 1% for the day, but we're still up almost 2% over the last 7 days, which is a week. Ethereum is down 3.5% over the last 24 hours and 0.5% for the week. XRP is still down 1.2% over the last 24 hours and 0.08% over the last 7 days. So pretty much the whole market's just been in a standstill, pretty much moving sideways. But let's take a look at our weekly winners. Pretty much for the week, we do have the majority of the market in the green except for Hex down here or up here. We do have it at 7 cents. Avalanche $27. Toncoin $1.36. DeFi chain $2.48, XDC 0.04 cents, and Maker down here at 1,266. So pretty much like I said, the majority of the market is still in the green for the week, but we do have some coins in the red. Like again, HBAR, we do have it at 9 cents. It was at 10 cents for a while, for the past couple of days or so. But now let's get on to the daily market. Well, not daily market, but the Bitcoin market. So we do have Bitcoin at 29,800. Technical saying it's a good time to sell. And like I said, market has just been pretty much at a standstill. It looks like it's going to make a pretty big either move upwards or move downwards pretty much within the coming days. So that's something to keep our eye on. But again, not financial advice. I would just keep my eye on Bitcoin and the whole crypto market as of right now. XRP, same thing. We do look like we're might have a nice upward motion or downward motion. We have been bouncing off that support, so it might be upwards. Again, we do have it at 40 cents. Technical saying it's a good time to sell, but again, not financial advice. I would keep my eyes on it as of right now and see whether we move up or down. Who knows? We'll see within the coming 2-3 days. So the crypto firm Ripple will explore IPO after the SEC lawsuit ends, the CEO stated. So Ripple will explore the possibility of an initial public offering once its lawsuit with the US SEC has ended. So again, that could be anytime this year. I don't see it extending until any point past 2022. So again, I do believe it will finish by the end of 2022. But again, that's just my opinion and speculations from what I see. So the SEC alleges Ripple, Garlinghouse, and Chris Larsen engaged in an illegal securities offering through the sales of XRP. So again, the SEC alleges Ripple that they have illegal securities offering of the XRP token. Ripple has argued that the digital coin should not be treated as a security, a designation that would bring it under such stricter regulatory scrutiny. The lawsuit has been going on for nearly 15 months, and Ripple expects it to be over, like I stated, by the end of this year. So he's pretty much saying that they want to get certainty first and clarity in the United States with the SEC. So pretty much after that, I'm guessing that they're going to IPO, which is pretty big news for Ripple, and knowing that the XRP token might be the first fully regulated asset. So again, this could be huge for Ripple and the XRP token. So Garlinghouse comments come amid a crypto price crash that has wiped billions of dollars off the value of the market. XRP is down 42% in the last 30 days. Crypto-related stocks have also been hammered. Coinbase shares are down 75% for this year. So again, we also have seen Robinhood, which is down close to 50% or a little bit over 50%. But despite that, Garlinghouse said the businesses continue to grow. He said that in the first quarter of this year, volume for its cross-border payments product that uses XRP, known as on-demand liquidity or ODL, totaled $8 billion versus $1 billion in the same period last year. So again, 1 billion from last year to 8 billion this year. That's a really big increase. Like, it's just ridiculous, and I just can't wait to see how much money we're gonna have moving Q1 of 2023. So again, if it went from 1 billion to 8 billion this year, we could possibly see 60 billion next year. So again, the growth is almost all of us outside of the United States. I think that what he thinks it'll probably be persist until they get clarity and certainty in the U.S. So again, after that, I'm pretty sure the IPO, XRP will take off to hopefully a couple $100, a couple thousand. I don't know. We'll see. So SEC's Hester Pierce says the U.S. has dropped the ball on crypto regulation. The U.S. has dropped the ball on crypto regulation. She says the knock-on effects of that failure keep her up at night. There's a lot of fraud in this space because it's a high area of the moment. So again, this is pretty much like the .com bubble back in the 2000s. This is a crypto bubble. But again, this is just something that all innovation goes through. And I mean, like I said, we're pretty much early in this space. So they're not allowing innovation to develop, with the SEC kind of just throwing everybody to the side and like, oh, I don't know what's going on with this token. So they just rather just not regulate it, or I could say, so pretty much they're stopping innovation to develop and experimentation to happen in a healthy way, and there are long-term consequences of that failure. So again, Hester Pierce knows what's going on. The U.S. has dropped the ball. So they're pretty much not allowing innovation to develop. A broad sell-off in the digital asset space has erased more than $500 billion from the entire market in the space of a few weeks, thanks to in part turmoil in the subset of cryptos dubbed stablecoins. So we did see Luna and UST also crash. That pretty much brought down everything else down to like Bitcoin brought it down to 29,000. I had this state a while back before, when we were still sitting at like 42, 45,000. I did state we would have a pullback to about 35, but again, nobody saw the UST crash and Luna crash coming. So once it came down to 35, we did see Luna crash and brought it down to about 28, 30,000. And that's just where we've been sitting at there. So again, if they don't let innovation grow, then we're going to have some pretty big problems in the future. So another article that we have for today is exchanges show initial support for Terra revival by listing the new Luna token. So HIT BTC plans to list Terra's brand new token, Luna, on May 27th as a suspended Terra Classic blockchain is expected to revive as Terra 2.0. So the crypto trading platforms also show signs of support for the revival of the collapsed Terra network by listing Terra's brand new token, also named Luna. So again, we will have Luna 2.0. The news comes amid Terraform Labs preparing to relaunch its protocol on Friday and replace the old chain, referred to as Terra Classic, with the new chain called Terra or Terra 2.0. The new chain will not be a fork, as it will be created from the Genesis block, and it will not share a history with Terra Classic. So the new Terra's token will be named LU, replacing the old token referred to as Luna Classic, which is LUNC. So pretty much, as previously reported, Do Kwon proposed to create a new Terra chain without Terra's algorithmic stablecoin, Terra USD, suggesting that Luna airdrops across LUNC stakers and holders, UST holders, and Terra Classic app developers. The proposal immediately received support from the community, with about 91% of Terra validators voting in favor for the Terra rebirth. So at the time of the writing, the community poll is still ongoing, with roughly 67% of voters supporting Terra's revival as Terra 2.0. So that's pretty much where I believe we'll be heading on, in that direction for Terra. for the last article for today, we did see Anderson Horowitz raise $4.5 billion in crypto fund to take advantage of the bargains in the down market. So once we see all these billions of dollars going from major retail, for not retail but major institutions, that means something big is coming for the crypto market once this bear market is over. So the Silicon Valley firm announced a new $4.5 billion fund for backing crypto and blockchain companies on Wednesday. Bear markets are often when the best opportunities come about. So pretty much what they're saying here is they plan to plow billions of dollars into crypto startups while digital asset markets are in a rut. So again, now that they're down is the best time to get into crypto. And like they say, millionaires are made in the bear markets. So it marks Anderson's fourth fund for the asset class and brings its total raise for crypto and blockchain investments to $7.6 billion. The firm plans to invest in both the cryptos and behind projects and in company equity. So like it states here, bear markets are often where the best opportunities come about when people are actually able to focus on building technology rather than getting distracted by short-term price activity. So they rather have it to where they're focusing on making their token better, making their I can't I can't remember the word, but making their platform better, their layer 1 technology, instead of focusing on the price. So cryptocurrencies have slid significantly from their all-time highs, with Bitcoin down more than 50% since its November peak, and they remain tightly correlated to higher growth tech stocks, which have undergone a major slide in this year. So altcoins have pretty much just followed Bitcoin as well. And like I stated earlier, the crash of stablecoin UST shook investor sentiment and caught the attention of regulators. So that's pretty much where we're at for today. I mean, there's a lot of news coming out, a lot of bullish news and a lot of bearish news, but I mean, we'll see where it takes us within the coming days and weeks, months. Who knows how long it'll take. But for now, that's all we have for the daily market update. Thanks to each and every one of you. Remember, if you like the content, hit the like and subscribe. Make sure you share the video. I will be posting my Twitter handle below this video. Thanks, and until next time.